Paris wants to buy an expensive prom dress for $1,230. She has already saved $450 and plans to clean houses to earn the rest. If she earns $50 per house, how many houses must she clean to earn enough money? They have already defined the variable, and you're going to use H to represent the number of houses. So we know that Paris has $450 saved, and she's going to charge $50 per house that she cleans. So she could have earned more than or equal to $1,230. She does not want to earn less. She wants to earn more or equal to that. So when we solve this, we're going to have subtract 450 from both sides. So 50H is greater than or equal to positive 780. Divide both sides by 50. And you're going to get H is 15.6. Okay, this does not make sense in the context of this problem. You're never going to go clean 15 houses and go to the next house and only clean 0.6. You're not saying, okay, ma'am, today I'm only going to clean your kitchen and your living room. You got the bathrooms. Okay, that's not going to happen. So you have to round up to the next full house. So you're going to round up to the next house in this situation because it doesn't make sense in the context of the problem. So she has to clean 16 houses. So we know that anytime that we have a word problem, we have to finish it with a sentence. So that means she must clean 16 houses to earn enough money to buy her prom dress. The next 4 problems you guys did in the class, by yourselves. So I'm just going to give you the answers just in case you missed them. I'm not going to explain any of these.